Hello guys, welcome back to my channel. So I'm back with a new recipe today. So it's been a while since we did a millet recipe. So today I tried out Foxtail Millet Fried rice. So this is a simple recipe and very few ingredients involved. The ingredients list is given below. If you're interested in more such millet recipes, do check out my channel and subscribe it and click the bell button. So let's get into the video. So first we're going to cook the millet. For that I've taken 1 cup of foxtail millet, 2 cups of water in a pan and put it on simmer. I'm adding salt to taste and a little bit of oil to this. Now we'll cover the pot and cook the foxtail millet on simmer for 15 to 20 minutes until it is cooked 90%. So after some time I'm just mixing it up and I see there's a little bit of water content left. So once it was fully absorbed and it was 90% cooked, I've removed it from fire and let it cool. In another pan, I've heated some oil. I'm adding some ginger to it. The fire is on high. Now I'm adding spring onion whites, cabbage, carrot, beans and some capsicum which I've chopped into the pan. Now we'll saute it and cook until this becomes soft. This should take about 3 to 4 minutes on high flame. Let's add a little bit of salt also to the vegetables and let it cook. Once the vegetables have turned soft, I'm adding in some soya sauce and some crushed black pepper. You can use black pepper powder or white pepper powder of your choice. Now mix everything together so that the veggies absorb the soya sauce and the pepper. Now it's time to add the cooked millet to this. Let's mix everything together so that the vegetables and the soya sauce and pepper coats the millet. Keep mixing it for 2 to 3 minutes and the fried rice should be ready. Now to finish it off, we'll just add in the green part of the spring onion to garnish. Give it a nice mix. And our fried rice is ready to be served with any Chinese side dish of your choice. So do try this at home and let me know in the comment section. I'll be back with a new recipe next time. Until then, bye bye.